Hey everyone, so for today's topic and the first topic back regarding Atlas Earth, I want to talk about these little things. Yeah, the diamonds that you get out here on the maps. Let me see if I can find a diamond out here. Actually, I'm going to use my center. I can't find it here. Let me turn the feed off. Yeah, okay, there's one. So there's a diamond, and as you probably know, you pick these up, and you turn them in to go on hunts, and you spin them in these wheels. And we can spin them up to 5 times a day. Now, for those of you that are wondering why we're talking about diamonds today, this is one of the videos that I've been really wanting to talk about right before I fell ill. And it's about the value of a diamond. Because you see, a lot of people really get the value of a diamond mixed up with the value of a spin of the wheel. They are two different things. And I thought I would take this time, me being a math tutor in some ways, to talk about probability today and talk about the difference between the value of the diamond and the value of the spin. And finally, we will definitively get an actual number for both. So let me get to my whiteboard. So my usual screen will not work on OBS for some reason, so I just went ahead and I got a web page to talk about expected value. So the expected value of something is basically the most likely result of the next repeated trial of a statistical experiment. So as you can read here, according to Britannica, there's other places that you can get it. The formula for expected value is the value, the sum of, this is sigma here stands for sum, but the sum of the value times the probability of said value happening. So looking at this here, click here, and give you an example. Let me go to Google here, and let me look up a example problem that they have here. Let's say you want the expected value, I should say, of, let me visit here. So this is going to be is it already here? Okay, so this is the expected value of a dice roll. And let's say that the outcome of each dice roll is going to be equal to the amount of, basically you gain the amount of dollars equal to the amount of pips in that die. So the dice go from 1 to 6, and there's an equal chance of 1 out of 6 in each one. So what you would do is you would take each of these outcomes and multiply them together. So for example, 1 times 1 over 6, 2 times 1 over 6, and so on and so forth. Then you will add them up. And when you add all this up, it comes out to 21 over 6, or $3.50. That means that on average, the expected amount to be paid out is $3.50. Notice that the mean of the data is also $3.50, since the total of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 6 is 3.5. They're basically roughly one and the same. So now that we know how that works, let's go back to the Atlas Earth screen. So I seriously thought I would have had to wait a day, but turns out that I found this chart right here, which is the diamond hunt payout odds. So let me click here. And yeah, so these payout odds will show you that you have a 1 in 16 chance of getting a diamond on the top, and then there's another 1 in 16 chance, so a 2 in 16 chance of getting a diamond, 1 in 2 chance of getting 1 Atlas buck, 1 in 3 chance of getting 2, 1 in 25 of getting 6, 1 in 50 of getting 8, 1 in 100 of getting 15, and 1 in 200 of getting 50. Now, we are going to go ahead and start adding them up together. And we're going to find the expected value of a single spin. Now, in a single spin, we're trying to get the most Atlas bucks. So the free diamonds count as 0 in this case. So let's go ahead and add those up. And if you see a glaring problem in the probabilities here, it's that these, when added up, actually don't add up to 1. They add up to something like 1.03333 or something like that. So I'm assuming that that extra 0.0333 is coming from the 2 Atlas bucks, so I'm going to go ahead and take that out. Just for this example. Now, if it is a little bit more elsewhere and a little bit less, if it is 0.333 here, and it's just a little bit less around here, someone do let me know. But I'm just going to go with this right now, okay? So we're going to do that, and we're going to pay out 0, 1, 2, 6, 8, 15, and 50. And then we're going to get the expected value of each situation here. So we're going to take H2 times I2. There we go. And we're going to multiply them, put them out like this, and then we add them up. So here we have J2 to J8. That's the expected value is 1.9 Atlas bucks per spin. Now there is a major difference here between the two when we talk about a per spin and per diamond. Because when we talk about per diamond, well, we're getting a free diamond here, so technically this does not count when we're trying to get the value of a diamond. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to take out this value and figure out how much the probability is for each of the remaining values. So I'm going to copy this. Now, when we take out the diamond, we have 0.875 as our sum. So what we're going to do is that's the total sum right now, the probability. To convert this to 1, we're going to go ahead and divide everything by 0.875 to get a probability value of 1. And to do this, I'm going to do H3 divided by the total amount, 0.875, and I'm going to do that for each one. So there's another one. And this is just the approximate numbers again. So you can see it is a little bit higher around the board. So if I get the total sum numbers of this becomes 2.17 per diamond, and this is 1.9 Atlas bucks per spin. So while you may be seeing about a 1.9 Atlas buck average per spin around there for a lot of you, per diamond, when people talk about per diamond case, you are getting more than 2 Atlas bucks for each diamond. So each diamond value here, I can't get to it, is actually basically the same as like getting 2.1 Atlas bucks. However, when you're spinning, it's 1.9, and that is all coming down to the odds of the diamond here. So that's pretty much it. Just a short video on the definitive value of each diamond based on the payout odds chart that you see over here. Hey everyone, this is me a few hours later, just doing this edit one more time because I really did not like the ending of the last segment when I tried it out. I just wanted to tell you all, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, we got one more video waiting for you next time regarding Atlas Earth, and I'm hoping to get that down probably the end of this week, probably, or early next week. So yeah, be on the lookout for that one. And don't forget, I'm going to have the review, I'm hoping the review of Atlas Earth, the following weekend. So be sure to check that out. The next one's going to be on the Explorer Club. So we will talk about that then. I'll see you all later.